What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about my 1993 GMC Sierra. The previous video you guys saw, I purchased a set of wheels and tires at the car show I went to. This morning I put them on, and I just wanted to share with you what the truck looks like now. You guys saw it on the previous video or previous videos. I was running 15s by 8s in the front and 15s by 10 on the rear. Right now, 20 by 8 front, 20 by 10 rear. Let me know what you guys think. It's just a small update. I will be dropping the front end maybe 1.5 inches or 2 more than what it is now, and the rear is going to go down about another inch. So I'm in here inside the truck right now because outside is very windy and I don't want the audio to sound all crappy. So I'm going to do the walk around. I'm going to show you what the truck looks like. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. Okay, put them down on the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my channel and for being a loyal subscriber.